Hey Al, what's going on? So, look what I discovered. I went through the access panel, through the trunk for the fuel pump, and look what I see. That thing is totally corroded, and that's where my gas is coming from. I'm gonna start the car, I'm gonna film it, and I'm gonna show you, because a little moisture on here, but definitely smells like gasoline, and looks like this is the culprit right here. Totally rusted. Let me see if I can get a focus. Maybe not. Let me see. Got a focus? Damn iPhones. Even the 13 can't focus straight. Jesus Christ. Anyhow, I think this is it right here. This whole cover might have to be replaced. If that's the case, that's good. I think that, yeah, this is the fuel pump that's attached to this, I believe. So, I'm gonna start it up and see what happens. Give me a second. Hey man, I was hoping you would be here to see this. So I went through the access panel for the fuel pump, and it's sure enough, it's the fuel pump cover, totally rusted out. And if I do this, can I do this? Let's see. If I do this, let's see if I can do this. Give me a second. All right, right there. See if I can touch it. Not gonna focus. All right, I'll do my best. Here, watch this. Yep, there's your leak. There goes your leak right there. Fuel pump. The whole cover's rusted. It's gotta go. Completely rusted through. It's crazy.